Welcome to watch today's fresh home. Reflecting its inhabitants' desire to live within an elevated, luxurious setting, Mirror House combines the stillness expected of a residential offering with moments of heightened boldness. Pasquale Cook infuses character and personality through materials and finishes that tell a story of the owners. What was once a dated 90s structure has undergone a remarkable transformation, blending a contemporary freshness with timeless elegance to create a residence that captivates with an attuned aesthetic. The owners wanted a warm and uncluttered living environment, says Pasquale Cook, co-founding director of Pasquale Cook. They were very interested in the way materials were going to age and tarnish over time, which led to a more robust palette. Emerging as a holistic redesign of an existing home, Mirror House evolved to be more than just a renovation. As a modern sanctuary, the home combines comfort and warmth through using layers of texture that are inviting and familiar. We were wanting to create a luxurious feel without it feeling ostentatious, adds Sophie Di Pasquale, co-founding director of Pasquale Cook. Light and fresh finishes such as the soft linen curtains paired with striking marbles and brass are applied in a restrained manner. With both park and city views available, opening up and clearing visual access beyond the exterior grounds the home in its Hawthorne location.